Hi guys, and welcome back to Code Ing. And today we are going to code a platformer. Yes, it's called Skibbity dot dot dot. Yes, yes. And no, I haven't been watching Skibbity Toilet.
Cause my style is ridiculous.
Yeah, but let's just code a platformer. So this platformer is going to be special. I mean, not really that special, because there'll be like blocks that like fall down. Like if you can just visualize it, fall down the screen, and then you must like hop on it, and it's like a continuous game, and then there's a time and a game over screen. So first let's create our character. So let's call our character and put it in the class. Some boring code stuff. Let's call our character user. What a fun name for a character. Then we want to initialize it. It's another bunch of boring stuff, so let's just skip this part while I initialize it. Yeah, because it's really boring and you don't want to see that.
Bruh. Bruh.
Alright, so we're back here with all the code, the boring code done. Yeah, it's very boring. And we have Bob here. No, I didn't mean you to translate this thing. Yeah, so we have Bob here, our little guy. He's not called user, he's called Bob now. He has two little legs. Um, uh, what's this thing called? I don't know what this thing is called. It's called a body, right? Yeah, I think it's called a body, right? Yeah, so then we have a head. The only thing we don't have is arms, but I don't think we need arms because I can use my leg to control my mouth as well. See, it's totally fine. It works. It works. I just hope I don't delete my code. So Bob doesn't need any arms. Because people without arms are just as good as people with arms because they can do the same thing, like making videos with a leg. Yeah, not the best thing, but yeah, you can still live without an arm. So the next thing we'll have to do is actually make Bob move. So to do that, we're gonna go through another round of boring code, which we can skip. But I'm just gonna do this first. So let's just call it def update self to update the character. Yeah, and then we can put some more of that nice music on. Yeah, it's one of my favorite music. So yeah, let's just continue and stop the talking. Alright, so as you can see, the nice music has stopped sadly. But we're back here in the code thing. We were always here because now where has our little Bob go? Bob, there you are. Can jump, jump, blast off. Then he can also fall. Where's he going? I can't find him. Yeah, so the next thing we have to do is to create the objects for him to jump on, which is the little things that I said would fall down. So let's just do that for another round of nice music but super duper boring code. Alright, so we're back here. If you're wondering what these white clouds are, they are not clouds, they are the platforms you must stand on. You see, there's like this special thing. Okay? Right? And yeah, it may look weird, but it's not that weird because the guy just keeps going up. Yeah, it needs some work because the clouds can't collide with each other. So we need to put in a rule for that, and that means some more boring code and some more nice music. And I think my music is gonna end soon because like, yeah, I've used up like half of it, so I need to just continue. Yeah, so enough talking. This is like the second time I said that. Yeah, so I'll just shut up and let's just continue.
Some AI over here, not because I'm lazy, because I just couldn't figure it out. But it's also another morning. It's currently 9:46 because I slept. Yeah, I slept last night because I was tired. So yeah, it's 9:46 in the morning. It's another beautiful day. Finishing up there, and you might have seen the time lapse because now we have a new function where if you press shift, where is it? It's here. Yeah, it's here. So over here, is this it? No, this is the, yeah, this is it, right? Yeah, so we have this shift thing over here, key is now 16. So if we press shift, Bob will move a bit faster. Let's run that again. Bob is not feeling so good. Yeah, and then we also made Bob start at the top, and now he can jump. Whoa, that's a ton of jumping. Bob, land there. Yes, now we've got Bob to land here. And now the only thing we need to do to finish out is Bob enters the bottom screen, he dies. Maybe he doesn't die, he just, I don't know, there's Bob. Yeah, there's balls inside it. But if he exits, so yeah, let's just finish that up.
Alright, so as you can see, we have finished our platformer sort of. See you escape. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. So if you play it, it's really hard to play though, I must admit. So you jump here, jump. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. We made it. Subscribe. And if you do lose, if you're just really unlucky, you fell into the infinite hole. Look at that cute turtle. It's falling down the hole. And it's infinite, by the way, so it's super scary. You wouldn't want to fall down there, would you? Oh, okay, yeah. So, yeah, I'll put the link in if you guys want to play this. Maybe to make it nicer, we'll like just erase this thing. Erase, more like cancel it. There you go. That's much better. So if like yeah, this platformer may not be the best. It's not the nicest, but if you go to full screen mode, maybe it might be a bit better. Yeah, there are more things in full screen mode, then you can jump. Yeah, sorry if I jump scared you. Okay, so we go up and then we go here, and we win. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe and hit that like button because you might like this video. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.